Look, Neptune, now you don't revolve around me, I revolve around you.
You have changed your gravity completely. Something is about to go wrong.
Chill, what may happen?
See, just like I said.
I came because of the earthquake. What the hell happened? Aren't you overheated? An earthquake in space?
Well, I could be. Your temperature is 5,500 degrees.
It's true that I occupy 99.9% of the total mass of the solar system.
Have you ever wondered how such a big thing came to such a big world?
Big to big, funny. Speaking of which, I have never. A little theory if you don't mind. You were formed 4 and 6 billion years ago, when the rapid compression by the gravitational forces, cloud of molecular hydrogen, led to your emergence. I'm so old, and how much I have left? Well, approximately the same. So what should I do?
I don't know, but I can tell you exactly how it will be.
No, I can hear you. La la la.
Then I will tell you this horror story. Boo!
What am I in for?
You will turn into a red giant when the temperature reaches 100 million degrees. A thermonuclear fusion reaction of carbon and oxygen from helium will begin. Get it?
Not really.
Your mass loss and shell shedding will begin. And then a nebula will form. Only white dwarf will be left in the center from your nucleus, which will gradually cool down and fade for billions of years. This life cycle is considered typical for low and intermediate mass stars.
You say I'm also a star?
There's so much to learn, brother. Don't waste your life.
If you're my brother, then you also a star, right? Shall we die together?